In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can edit your Snapchat public profile. Before you dive in this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. But first things first, what you're going to want to do is actually open up Snapchat on your iPhone or your Android and tap your profile icon by clicking the Bitmoji up in the top left corner. From here, under My Account, you're going to want to select Public Profile to take you to a page that looks like this. Now from here, tap the pencil icon all the way up in the top right to open up a page that looks like this, where you can add a short bio, a location, or choose whether to show your follower count. You can even change the background image, which is pretty cool. Whenever you're ready though, back out of this section and tap the gear icon in the top right corner and select Preview Profile to see what exactly your public profile is going to look like. This is what other people are going to see. If it looks empty, scroll down and tap Add Snaps. You can also upload from your camera roll or take new ones. It's completely up to you. And those are going to appear in your public profile and you can see them right here. But yeah, overall, it really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.